Can you guys hear me? Should I speak?
We can. Thank you, Mr. Sternberg.
Okay, sorry. Normally I get asked to speak. So thank you, committee. Good morning. Thank you for having me. As the chairman noted, I have figured out the systems. I think he's referring to the fact that I have now come to several public comments to discuss my dissatisfaction with the bar's complaint investigation process and misconduct process. Specifically, its refusal to take evidence, its absurdly low file size limitations on the website, its blatant refusal to investigate by abusing its discretion. I've brought up specific examples at prior committee meetings, and I've already started now the chronology of my case, and so that's what I'm going to continue today. This is a family law case, and it relates to the abduction of my children in 2019 from Las Vegas, Nevada by their mother. She was able to resurrect a case in San Jose, California that we had mutually agreed to dismiss in 2012. In fact, we executed the dismissal twice. Unfortunately, both attorneys were so incompetent that that was not completed, and I didn't find it out until 6 years later. My attorney at the time was Michelle Bernot, bar number 186911. Where I last left off the chronology, the children were living with me full-time in Las Vegas pursuant to a private agreement with mother because she had gotten a DUI with the kids in the car 2.5 times the legal limit. And that was our new arrangement and our new agreement. Once she reached a plea deal with the El Dorado County, California District Attorney on that, she began scheming behind my back to relocate the children back to California. I know that from financial records through discovery and also from deposition. During the school year of 2018-2019, she hired a California attorney who subbed into the case and then 2 days later immediately subbed out, probably because he didn't want anything to do with what she was about to attempt. Those substitutions were never served on me, or they were served but to an incorrect address, not on me. They were mailed to an incorrect address intentionally so as to not alert me that this case was still active. In March of 2019, she retained Tristan Eshelman, bar number 278981. Despite being retained at that time, he did no investigation into this case to figure out if he was about to participate in any crimes. I know that because he never obtained the court record. I know that because when I later went to go get the court record myself, the court had to go get it out of storage. So he was retained in March of 2019. In May of 2019...
30 seconds left, Mr. Steinberg. I'm sorry to interrupt, just so you know.
I appreciate that, and I look forward to those reminders. Thank you. So on July 7, 2019, the day the kids were due back in Las Vegas after a private agreement for the summertime visitation, they were not returned. Instead, Tristan Eshelman, bar number 278981, wrote me an email essentially blackmailing me, telling me I would not see my kids again until I agreed to change the agreement or that California had jurisdiction. I filed a complaint with him. Scott Karf, bar number 274682, was the intake attorney. He, of course, abused his discretion, refused to investigate, and closed it out.
I'm sorry, but your time is up, Mr. Steinberg.
And I will further address this at the next public comment. Thank you.
Mr. Steinberg.